The girl held the world in her hands.
The man held the money in his hands.
The man held the rope with both hands. The man and the woman held up two happy faces. The woman held the TV remote control in her hand. The nurse held the patient's hand. The woman held the egg in her hand. The man held the umbrella in his hand. The waiter held the tray in his hand. The woman held up different facial expressions. The man held a white mug in his hand. The man on the bus held a bunch of flowers and a mobile phone in his hands. The woman held a smelly sock in her hand. The girl held her breath under the water. The romantic couple held hands at the beach. The flight attendant held the tray in her hands. The man held the woman in his arms. The burglar held the torch in his hand. The woman held the key to the new house. The woman held the paint tin in her hand. The new mother held her baby in her arms. The woman held the British flag in her hand when she was visiting London. The football player held a trophy and a ball in his hands. The woman held her mouth and her stomach. She was going to be sick. The woman held the shopping bags in her hands. The woman held the winning lottery ticket. The man and woman held hands. The nurse held the clipboard in her arms. The couple held hands as they walked along the beach. The woman held a pair of glasses in front of her face. The man held the keys to his new car in his hand. The tourist held a map in her hands. The man held a gun in his hand. The father held his baby in his arms. The woman in the red shirt held her nose. The man held the world in his hand.